Only 24% of the current cybersecurity workforce is represented by women. I'm here to change that. Hi, I'm Venicia. I'm the founder of Cyberqueen, where it is my mission to enable and empower more women to succeed in cybersecurity. With over 10 years of industry experience, I'll help you navigate the challenges that you will face while trying to build out your cybersecurity career. Cybersecurity is a dynamic and exciting career path with huge growth opportunities, and it pays you handsomely for your efforts. The only thing you need to get started is the right motivation and mentor. Every week I bring you new insights, career guidance, and tips and tricks. On my website, you'll find guides and key resources to give you clear direction. So whether you are brand new, starting from zero, or looking to elevate to the next level, I'm here to support you. So if you like the sound of that, feel free to follow me on all my social media platforms. Let's work together to build your future in cybersecurity.